In this video, we listed the 5 best drawing tablet on AliExpress that are available on the market for their true quality. Actually, I tried to make the list based on their popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the description section below and don't forget to subscribe to our channel to get future reviews. It's done, let's dive into the video. Number 1. HUION Kamvas 13. The HUION Kamvas 13 is a versatile pen tablet monitor designed for creatives, featuring a sleek design available in 3 colors: midnight green, purple violet, and Cosmo black. With a lightweight build of just 980G and a slim profile of 11.8mm, it is highly portable for outdoor use. The device boasts a full HD resolution of 1920 by 1080 and supports a high-pressure sensitivity of 8192 levels, ensuring precise and detailed artwork. It offers multiple connectivity options, including Type-C to HDMI and Type-C to Type-C, allowing for easy connection to laptops and Android devices. The fully laminated screen minimizes parallax and features an anti-glare protector for comfortable viewing. Additionally, it includes 8 programmable press keys for enhanced functionality and can switch between pen display and pen tablet modes. The package comes complete with essential accessories, including a digital pen, cables, and a pen holder, making it an ideal choice for artists seeking a reliable and user-friendly drawing experience. Number 2. HUION HS611 Graphics Tablet. The HUION HS611 is a cutting-edge graphic tablet designed for both professional and amateur artists, featuring an impressive array of specifications that enhance the digital drawing experience. With 8192 pressure levels and a resolution of 5080 LPI, it provides highly sensitive and precise input for authentic strokes. The tablet boasts a 266 pps report rate, ensuring quick and accurate responses to pen movements, while its plus or minus 60 degrees tilt support allows for versatile brush techniques compatible with software like Photoshop. The HS611 is available in trendy colors, coral red, cobalt blue, and space gray, and features an ultra-slim design at just 7.3mm thick, making it portable and convenient for use anywhere. It includes 10 programmable press keys, a touch bar, and multimedia keys for improved workflow efficiency, alongside a battery-free digital pen for smooth performance. With compatibility for Windows, Mac OS, and Android devices, the HS611 is a versatile tool for creative expression, packaged with essential accessories for immediate use. Number 3. HUION Kamvas Pro 13. The HUION Kamvas Pro 13 is a compact pen tablet monitor designed for digital artists and professionals, featuring a 13.3-inch IPS screen with a resolution of 1920 by 1080 pixels and a color gamut of 120% sRGB, ensuring vibrant and accurate color representation. This device supports 8192 levels of pen pressure with a battery-free pen, PW507, that includes tilt functionality, allowing for precise and natural drawing experiences. The tablet boasts a full laminated, anti-glare glass panel that minimizes offset and enhances visibility, along with 4 customizable express keys and a touch bar for improved workflow efficiency. Weighing just 910G and measuring 11mm in thickness, it is highly portable, making it easy to carry in a backpack. The Kamvas Pro 13 connects via USB and Type-C interfaces, compatible with Windows, Mac, and Chrome OS, and supports major creative software like Adobe Photoshop and Clip Studio. Additionally, it features an adjustable stand for ergonomic use and requires connection to a computer to operate. The device is CE certified and constructed from durable ABS material, making it a reliable choice for artists seeking a versatile drawing tablet. Number 4. GAOMON WH851 Tablet. The GAOMON WH851 is a versatile graphic tablet designed for creatives seeking a wireless and efficient drawing experience. Featuring an 8-inch diagonal screen with a working area of 203.2 by 127mm in PC mode and 127 by 63.5mm in phone mode, it boasts impressive specifications including 16,384 pressure levels, a resolution ratio of 5080 LPI, and a plus or minus 0.3mm accuracy. The tablet operates with Bluetooth 5.0 for seamless connectivity across various platforms, including Windows, Mac OS, Android, and Chrome OS, while its battery-free EMR pen technology provides a lifelike drawing experience with a 0.45mm rebound distance and plus or minus 60 degrees tilt functionality. With an 18-hour battery life and a quick charge time, the WH851 is built for extended use. It also features 8 customizable press keys and a mechanical dial to enhance productivity. The tablet's lightweight and low-reflection design allows for comfortable use in various environments, making it suitable for drawing, designing, and online classes. The package includes essential accessories such as pen nibs, a USB-C adapter, and a cleaning cloth, ensuring users have everything they need to start creating right away. Number 5. GAOMON M1220 Tablet. The GAOMON M1220 Drawing Tablet is a versatile 12-inch graphic tablet designed for artists and creators, featuring a high-definition screen resolution of 1920 by 1080 and a working area of 10 by 6.25 inches in PC mode and 6.25 by 3.5 inches in phone mode. It boasts an impressive 8,192 levels of pressure sensitivity, a report rate of 266 pps, and tilt support of plus or minus 60 degrees, ensuring a natural and precise drawing experience. The tablet is equipped with 8 customizable shortcut keys, 13 multimedia buttons for easy media control, and a touch ring for enhanced functionality. It is compatible with Windows 7 and above, Mac OS 10.12 and above, and Android devices 6.0 and above, although it does not support iOS devices. The package includes a battery-free pen, AP32, multiple pen nibs, a USB cable, and a quick start guide, making it a comprehensive solution for digital artists. Additionally, the tablet features a replaceable cover for personalization and is built from durable plastic, ensuring longevity and ease of use.